Hi there and welcome to my home. Today we are adding fun and festive red, white, and blue decor to the front porch for the 4th of July holiday. And we are going to start by hanging these outdoor burlap pennants that I found at Pottery Barn. I just love these. This is going to probably be a short little video today, but hopefully festive nonetheless, and I hope that you enjoy it. I decided to DIY a couple of wreaths for the front door and I wanted to share it here with you in this video.
So I ordered 2 wreaths off of Amazon. These are the Snowball Hydrangea wreaths, 24-inch. They look like this when they come in the box. So don't be alarmed because when I first got these boxes I thought, oh no, the size is off, but they really fluff up. It also comes with a burlap bow on the wreath that I just removed for my project, but you could always leave it because I think that looks really pretty for summer too. Now I'm just going to fluff this up. I also ordered this box of red, white, and blue hydrangea stems on Amazon as well. Now I'm just going to go through and pull some red and blue and place them in my wreath where I'm going to want to glue them down. But I like to place them first and then do the gluing after I figure out exactly where they're going to go. I don't know if I would recommend using these in an actual arrangement, but for a wreath, an outdoor wreath especially, I think these are fine. They do take some fluffing as well, but in terms of florals, faux florals, I don't know if these are the best stems, but they're great for a wreath. Just wanted to give you a heads up there. Now I'm just going to get my glue gun and glue all of these down. Add as many or as little extra florals as you'd like. I just added 3 of the blue and 3 of the red in each color. We just did a little bit of zhuzh. I really like how they turned out, so let's go add them to the front door.
If you watched my summer decorating video, then you know that one of my favorite recent additions to the front porch are these beautiful pre-lit topiaries from Balsam Hill. Balsam Hill was kind enough to send them to me last month and I couldn't have been more excited. I decided to give them a little bit of flair for the 4th by adding red, white, and blue florals to the urns around the base of the topiaries. Now I'm going to add the most fabulous burlap and denim bows that I just happened to find while I was out shopping at my local at-home store. These bows come pre-made and are reinforced with wire throughout, so they are super easy to shape. I think they are the perfect size and an excellent addition to the topiaries for the season. These would also be really beautiful on front door wreaths as a statement piece, or even maybe used on windows or something like that. I just thought they were such a great find. I definitely wanted to be sure and share them here with you. I am officially in love with the front porch. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you are in the mood for more 4th of July decor, be sure to check out my other seasonal decorating videos. They will be linked in the description below. I will see you again very soon with another video. Until then, happy 4th of July and happy decorating!